Good morning. I'm going to talk about neurotransmitters. Neurotransmitters are chemicals located and released in the brain to allow an impulse from one nerve cell to pass to another nerve cell. Functions. The brain uses neurotransmitters to tell your heart to beat, your lungs to breathe, and your stomach to digest. They can also affect mood, sleep, concentration, weight, and can cause adverse symptoms when they are out of balance.
We know a little bit now about the communication lines between neurons, that they are powered with electricity. We also know that the messages neurons exchange are chemical molecules.
Kind of neurotransmitters, inhibitory or excitatory. Excitatory neurotransmitters are not necessarily exciting. They are what stimulate the brain. Those calm the brain and help create balance are called inhibitory. Inhibitory neurotransmitters balance mood and are easily depleted when the excitatory neurotransmitters are overactive.
At a chemical synapse, a neurotransmitter molecule, such as acetylcholine, communicates a signal from one neuron, the presynaptic cell, to another, the postsynaptic cell. Neurotransmitter molecules are stored in vesicles in the presynaptic neuron. Some vesicles dock via specific docking proteins at the presynaptic terminal.
Neurotransmitters. Inhibitory, serotonin, GABA, and dopamine. Excitatory, dopamine, norepinephrine, and epinephrine. Mechanism of impulse transmission. A nerve impulse travels through a nerve in a long, slender cellular structure called an axon, and it eventually reaches a structure called the presynaptic membrane, which contains neurotransmitters to be released in a free space called the synaptic cleft. Freely flowing neurotransmitter molecules are picked up by receptors located in a structure called the postsynaptic membrane of another nearby neuron. Once the neurotransmitter is picked up by receptors in the postsynaptic membrane, the molecule is internalized in the neuron and the impulse continues. This process of nerve cell communication is extremely rapid. Once the neurotransmitter is released from the neurotransmitter vesicles of the presynaptic membrane, the normal movement of molecules should be directed to receptors related on a postsynaptic membrane.
Communication between two neurons begins when an electrical impulse called an action potential travels along the axon of the presynaptic neuron toward the axon terminal. The action potential cannot cross the synaptic space. When it reaches the axon terminal, it causes membranous sacs called vesicles to move toward the membrane of the axon terminal. The membrane of the vesicle fuses with the membrane of the axon terminal, enabling the vesicle to release its contents into the synaptic space.
Neurotransmitters, mental disorders, and medication. Schizophrenia, impairment of dopamine-containing neurons in the brain is implicated in schizophrenia, a mental disease marked by disturbance in thinking and emotional reactions. Medication that block dopamine receptors in the brain, such as chlorpromazine and clozapine, have been used to alleviate the symptoms and help patients return to a normal social setting. Generalized anxiety disorder. People with general anxiety disorder experience excessive worry that cause problems at work and in the maintenance of daily responsibilities Evidence suggests that gut involves several neurotransmitter systems in the brain, including norepinephrine and serotonin. Attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. People affected by attention deficit hyperactivity disorder experience difficulties in the areas of attention, overactivity, impulse control, and distractibility. Research shows that dopamine and norepinephrine imbalance are strongly implicated in causing ADHD. Thank you.